morning, dear students. Dear students, in your previous class, you studied, that is, we solved exercise 4.2. In that one, we solved, that is, first question and second question, and remaining two mains will be there, that is third and fourth. So that third and fourth contains, in the third main, that we have four problems. In the fourth main we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 will be there. So first we shall solve the third main, that is, give the steps you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equation. Solve the equation means we have to find the value of variable. ನಾವು ಆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ and verifying. Okay, so third man, they given that third man, give the steps you will use to separate the variables and then solve the equation. So first they given 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Here variable is n, we have to find the value of n. Second one is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Here variable is m, we have to find the value of m. And next one is 20p divided by 3 is equal to 40. In this one variable is p, we have to find the value of this p. And fourth one is 3p by 10 is equal to 6. The variable is p, we have to find the value of this p. So we shall solve one by one problem. So dear students, first one, they give 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. So in this one variable is n, we have to find the value of this variable. So find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But along with this, minus 2 will be there ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ minus 2 ಇದೆ. So first we have to separate this minus 2. So minus 2, to cancel the minus 2 we have to add plus 2, that is add 2 on both sides. So then 3n, here minus will be there, minus 2 will be there, so we have to add plus 2. We have to add plus 2 on both sides. 3n minus 2, here added plus 2, RHS side also we have added plus 2. Therefore minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. 3n is equal to yes, correct, 46 plus 2, that is 48. So 1 is cancel ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ here ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 3 ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು n, 3n ಇದೆ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 3, that is divide 3 on both sides. Divide 3 on both sides. Then 3n will be there. Divide means ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. By 3 is equal to 48 by 3. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ 3 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Yes, 3 get cancel. Here will be n remaining, that is equal to, here 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೋದರೆ 1 ಉಳಿತು. ದೆನ್ 1 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ, 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. n is equal to 16. Next, given equation 3n minus 2 is equal to 46 ಅಲ್ವಾ? given equation 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. here n is equal to 46 means we have to substitute the value of n. 3 ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, already told that 3n means 3 into n 3n, that is 3 into the n value is 16. 3 into 16 minus 2, already minus 2 is equal to 46. 16 3s are, or 3 16s are, 16 3s are 48 minus 2 is equal to 46. So 48 minus 2 is 46, that is equal to, in the RHS side is 46, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Dear students, from here illinda given equation to idu verify ಮಾಡೋದು. Here is, this is the solution, ಅಂದರೆ we have to find the value of variable solution. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ solution. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ they will give the marks. If you continue this one also they will give same marks. Next, p by 3 is equal to 40. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟು 3 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದಿಸ್ 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. That is multiply 3 on both sides, that is 20p by 3. 20p by 3 into multiply 3 allo, multiply 3 is equal to 40 into 3. This 3 get cancelled. Here only will be 20p into 1s are 20p 1s are 20p, that is equal to 43s are 4 3s are 12, number of 0 1. So one step will be clear. Second is, we have to separate this variable from 20. So 20 into t means here multiplication will be there alva. So remove madlikke we should divide 20 on both sides. So already they given 20p is equal to 120. We should divide means 20p by 20, that is equal to 120 by 20. So this 20 get cancelled. 21s are 26 are 120. Here 1 into p, 1p, or p is equal to 6. The value of p is, or variable is 6. This is the equation for the solution. Okay na? So this is the equation. So this is the solution. P is equal to 6 is the solution for the equation. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್. ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 20p by 3 is equal to 40. The value of p, we find out that p is equal to 6. Yes. So 20 by 3 into the value of p is 6 is equal to 40. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 20 into 2 is equal to 40. 22s are 40 is equal to 40. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. We are all verified also that one, and also we find it the value of variable alva. Variable value find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, and whether that is right or wrong ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then clear? Okay. Next, we'll move to next page. So here, dear students, I will give 2 problems to homework for you in the third main. That is here 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. They given ಇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 7 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಡ್ 7 ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಆ್ಯಡ್ 7 ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಬೇಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ 7 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲೂ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಆ್ಯಡ್ 7 ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೇನಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಡಿವೈಡ್ 5. ಫಸ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 3p/10 is equal to 6. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 10 ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ 3 ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ multiply 10 on both side. Second step divide 3 on both side. But here will be, you should think this add 7. Is it correct or wrong? Okay. If you think that one, you will get the answer very easily. These two are the hints for these two problems. This is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. 3p/10 is equal to 6. Okay. Next. It's very easy. For just we should solve the following equation. So totally they given, solve the following equation. They given 12 problems. In this one we shall solve only 4 to 5 problems. That's all. The remaining are same as like those problems. Okay. Yes. We shall move on to first problem. So dear students, here solve the equation means we have to find the value of this variable. Just okay. Next step will be our choice. We have to check whether the value of variable is right or wrong ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ LHS side, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು RHS ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್. So first one 10p is equal to 100. So here we have to remove this p to separate. So to remove, here we have to remove the 10, then the variable will be separated. This is along with p, 10 into p, 10p. 10p is equal to 100 will be there. Yes? Yes. So divide 10 on both sides. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು 10ನ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. 10p by 10 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 100/10. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ 10 get cancel. Here will be only p into 1 into p is equal to 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. Yes alva, 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. Therefore 1 ಉಳಿತಲ್ಲಿ p ಉಳಿತು, that is 1 into p is equal to 10. Then p ones are p is equal to 10. This is the value of unknown variable ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ holds good or not ಅಂತ. So 10p is equal to 100. The value of p is equal to 10. That means we have to substitute the value of this p here. That is 10 into p alva. That is 10 into the value of p is 10. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. 10 tens are 100. 100 is equal to 100. Then LHS is equal to RHS. Holds good agutalva. Therefore p is equal to 10 is the solution for the equation. Next. Next. It's very easy problem, dear friends. P by 4 is equal to 5. Yes. So we have to remove the value of 4. That means we have to separate this p, or we have to separate this p. Okay, that's enough. So here will be division. Division allide alva. So division means we have to multiply. Division allide andre to cancel that number we should multiply same number. In multiplication division matra, but addition and subtraction we have to add opposite sign or subtract with opposite signs. Multiply 4 on both sides. Therefore p by 4 into, I multiplied 4, here also 5 into I multiplied by 4. This 4 get cancelled. This is the multiplication symbol. P into 1 is equal to 5 4s are 20. P into 1 means 1 into P or P into 1, P is equal to 20. This is the solution. So we have to check whether P is equal to 20 is holds good or not. Given equation P by 4 is equal to 5. Yes? Yes. The value of P is equal to 20. So P is equal to 20. Yes? Yes. P by 4 alva. Here they given P by 4 is equal to 5 means we have to substitute the value of this P here. So 20 ಇದೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿದೆ or replace the value of P. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. So 20 by 4 is equal to 5. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Therefore here will be 5 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, that is equal to 5. So LHS is equal to RHS, holds good ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And dear students, you should practice to divide like this. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. You are following this simple division like this. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. That means numerator and denominator should be divisible by same number. Okay? Yes. Next. 3s is equal to minus 9. So your variable is yes. Yes. So we have to separate this variable. To separate this variable s, what we have to do means divide 3 on both sides. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇರೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ s ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 3s by divide 3 is equal to minus 9 by 3. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಅವಾಗ 3 into 3 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Here minus will be there. Answer is minus 3. So next verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. given equation 3s is equal to minus 9. s is equal to the value of s is we find it already minus 3. That is 3 already given into s is minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Students, plus into minus ಎರಡು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9. 9 is equal to minus 9. Therefore LHS left hand side is equal to right hand side. Holds good ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Yes. Next, it's very important. So sorry, this one ನೋಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ 3s is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of yes, unknown variable. Which is the unknown variable? S is the unknown variable. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಸರ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 3. 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇದೆ. 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಸ್ 3s ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಸ್ 3s ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 3 on both sides. Divide 3 on both sides. So here I am dividing 3s by 3 is equal to 0 by 3 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎರಡು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, 3 3 get cancel. S is equal to, dear students, 0 by anything is 0. 0 ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋ 0. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 0 by any number you get 0. For example, 0 by 4 is 4 1s are 4 zeros are 0. 9 1s are 9 zeros are 0. And also 0 by 100 means 0. 0 by 1000 means 0. 0 by 909 means 0. So here is the value of s is equal to 0, and also they given equation 3s is equal to 0. The value of s we get it is 0. We are substituting here. So 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 3 into 0 means 3 ones are 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 zeros are 0. 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. So 3 into 0 0. 0 is equal to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So LHS is here, LHS is equal to RHS. So given solution is satisfy ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes. So S is equal to 0 is the solution for the equation. Next. This contains both two operations ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. ನೋಡಿ. First 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Yes. Yes. So first we have to separate this one. But only numbers ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, first we should separate that one. After that number with variable ಇರೋದನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Yes. First we should separate this plus 6 only. Here plus 6 will be there. To remove this plus 6, we have to add opposite side number alva during addition or subtraction. Okay. So plus 6 will be there, means we should subtract 6 on both sides. Enough. Then that become 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6. Alva. If we add the number means we have to add on both sides. If we subtract a number means we should subtract on both sides. We should if we multiply a number means we should multiply on both sides. If we divide a number means we should divide a number on both sides. Here also minus 6 because we are subtracting that number. Plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. 2q is equal to 12 minus 6, 6. Next, divide 2 on both sides. Divide 2 on both sides. So divide 2q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. Divide madina. Then this 2 get cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, ಹೌದು. Cancel ಆದರೆ then 2 ones are ಅಲ್ವಾ, then 2 3s are. Here will be 1 into q is equal to 3. 1 into q means q is equal to 3. Check ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Yes, should check that one whether that is right or wrong. So given equation 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Yes, 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. We find that value q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3, find it. That means we have to substitute this value here. That is 2 into 3. 2 into q means 2 into 3 plus next number is 6 is equal to 12. Next 2 3s are 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 6 means 12 is equal to 12 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes, compulsory. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the value of q is equal to 3 is the solution for the given equation. And next, homework, but very easy. So 2q is equal to 6. Find the value of q. Aste q value find out ಮಾಡಿ. That the verifying will be your choice, but you should find the value of q. Hint ಏನು? To separate this q we should divide by 2. 2 ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಭಾಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. 2 ಹಿಂಗಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೀನು. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ 2 ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. q is equal to ಅದೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2s plus 6 is equal to 0. Hint, first the number which are separated by variable ಯಾವುದು 6 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So to remove this one, plus 6 will be there. We should subtract on both sides. Subtract 6 on both sides ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Next will be 2s remaining ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. To remove that one, multiplication ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ 2 into s ಅಂತ. So we should divide 2 ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀ.